Here's a really powerful topic if you're into that kind of conscious awareness, manifestation, creating your reality intentionally kind of stuff. How many times a day do you water the seeds of your intentions? How many times? One time? No time? Many of you have watched my video on creating your day, and it's one of the most powerful and important things that you can ever do. I love it when you guys pop on. Same people pop. Hi Sheila, hi Candace, hey Meredith. Watering your seeds of intention. It's like right now I'm watering my crown chakra in the background here. I talk about and I invite people to set 10 alarms on their phone. It's free. It's free. It's like somebody tapping you on the shoulder and going, where are you right now? Are you committed? Do you feel that it would be worthwhile enough to spend 1 minute to water the seeds of your intentions, of what you are intending to create and manifest in this hologram that you're creating? 10 times a day, how easy would that be? The question is, will you accept the invitation from your mirror? I'm just a mirror, and I'm just basically talking to myself, having fun, projecting this out into what appears to be my hologram, and getting to play with anybody that shows up as a mirror in my hologram. So, most powerful thing you can do is create your day intentionally before you step 1 foot out of bed. You've heard me share this before, however, I don't know how many people see this video. It says I have 5,000 friends. I don't know if I even see 100 of them. I don't know. I'm not sure. But what I do know is every day we have an opportunity to consciously affect this vibrating hologram called life with our thoughts, our words, and then to put an emotion on top of that. So the emotion is the fuel, but it could be an emotion of love, excitement, gratitude, or it could be an emotion of fear, lack, worry, doubt, unworthiness. If we're not tracking this stuff, guess what's going to happen? The program that's running in the subconscious underneath, which is those 50 to 80,000 thoughts that are recycling every day, that's going to be the default program. So guess what's going to show up in your dream? The same thing from that program. So when we're able to consciously affect the field, and this is why I'm inviting you to set 10 alarms on your phone. Oh, look at the light coming in. I love that. I love Mother Earth so much. What a blessing. I got the birds coming in. Nothing better. Nothing better than getting out in nature. What a blessing. It's all here for us. Have you thanked Mother Earth today as you look around, whether you're going to work, whatever you're doing, looking out the window? Have you thanked Mother Earth for all this magic? It's all here for us. The only reason it's here is to unconditionally love and serve us. I'm going to put some more water on my crown chakra right there. Oh yeah, that feels good. And the second thing I want to leave you with is, have you given love to your innate intelligence today? Your innate intelligence are the trillions of cells that are unconditionally loving and serving you right now in every moment, and they do it all day long, and they do it all night long without you even having to think about it. And they've been doing it since you've been in the womb. Why would I talk about this? Why is this so important? Because it raises your vibration, it heals your cells, your organs, your skin, everything. Every single cell in your body is listening to every thought, every word, and every emotion. Hey, Irma from New Zealand. How cool. She's going to set her alarms. Right on. Way to take action. This is so easy. You can watch this video and go, yeah, Jeff, that sounds good. And then scroll, 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 like we all do. But taking action every day. I do it every morning before I get out of bed. Yeah, I had to practice. I had to train myself. I had to set my alarms. And every single person that goes through the Waking Up in the Dream 30-day online transformational experience does it. Guess what? Within the first 2 weeks, they're going, oh my God, I'm seeing programs that I've been running that I never saw in 30, 40, 50, 60, 7 decades. And you can begin to undo them really quickly when you're hanging out with people that are mirroring you. You're going through the tools in the book, Conscious Awareness 101, journaling every night for 5 minutes. Oh my God, 5 minutes. Could I possibly give up 5 minutes a night and set my alarm 10 times a day to change everything in my life? I don't know. Could you? It's up to you. But I sure am having fun playing with it. I just want to send so much love to you. Hey, Jenna. Thanks for all the love, everybody. Thanks for all the shares. Thanks for showing up in my dream. Let's keep it going. Let's keep the tribe energized with unconditional love, gratitude. Lift everybody up. Catch all your judgments because they're all about you. Track them. Love it. All right. Have an amazing day.